Welcome to St. James Cathedral, an iconic landmark in downtown Toronto's St. Lawrence neighborhood. The congregation dates back to 1797 with the first wooden church completed in 1807. Over the years, successive buildings were lost to fire, notably the Great Fire of Toronto in 1849, which destroyed the previous structure. In 1850, an architectural competition led to the design by Frederick William Cumberland with Thomas Rideout in the Gothic Revival style. The present cathedral opened for services in 1853, though the tower and spire were only completed 2 decades later, around 1874. St. James is built of Ohio sandstone and white brick, with freestones from Queenston and Rebel stone from Georgetown. Its soaring tower, about 305 feet, commanded Toronto's skyline in the 19th century, and its buttress, pinnacles, pointed arches, and tracery exemplify Gothic Revival aesthetics.